Hi there, in this video I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create forms and surveys inside your PulseGrowth account. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build simple forms and advanced conditional forms. Let's start with forms. From your dashboard, go to the Sites tab and then click on Forms. Click on Add Form. If you'd like to save time, click on Templates. Simply choose the one that matches your needs, customize it, and you're ready to go. But for this tutorial, we're going to create a form from scratch so you can see how everything works. When you start from scratch, you'll see the form builder interface with all the available fields listed on the left-hand side. You can easily drag and drop any required field into your form. For example, you can add first name, last name, email, phone number, and many other standard fields. Now let's talk about one of the powerful features of PulseGrowth forms, collecting payments and selling products directly through your form. Here you can decide whether you want to simply collect a payment or actually sell a specific product. If your goal is just to collect a payment, select the payment type as Collect Payment. You can customize the label, adjust the payment amount, and even add multiple suggested payment options if needed. This is great for donations, service fees, or flexible pricing. If instead you want to sell a product, choose Sell Product as the payment type. Then select the product you want to sell from your product list. You can customize how the product appears on the form by choosing whether to display the image, description, and quantity selector. Simply check the boxes based on what you want visible. Once you're done, click Add Product. You can also enable coupons if you plan to accept coupon codes for this product. Additionally, you have the option to add bump products, which are small add-on offers that appear during checkout to increase your order value. Beyond payments, you can add many other types of fields to your form. You can include single-line text boxes, multi-line text areas, drop-down lists, checkboxes, radio buttons, and more. If you want to create a headline or subheadline within your form, you can add a text field and customize the font style, font size, alignment, and formatting inside the settings panel. If your form requires file uploads, you can drag and drop the file upload field. This is useful if you need users to submit documents such as PDFs, images, or other files. You can also add a signature field if you need a digital signature from the person filling out the form. Once your fields are set up, click on the Settings tab. Here you can configure what happens after someone submits the form. You can display a custom thank you message directly on the screen, redirect the contact to a specific URL. You'll also find additional settings, such the bottom. Now let's explore advanced functionality using conditions. Conditions allow you to create dynamic and intelligent forms. For example, you can create a condition that says if the first name field is empty, then redirect the contact to a specific URL. You can build multiple conditions based on different field responses. You can also display custom messages depending on the contact's answers. For instance, if a required field is missing, you can show a specific message guiding them to complete it. You can type any message in the body of message. You can even disqualify leads automatically based on their answers, which is useful for filtering prospects and keep your pipeline clean. Another powerful feature is the ability to show or hide fields dynamically. For example, if the first name starts with a certain letter, or if a specific answer is selected, you can reveal additional fields or hide certain sections of the form. This makes your forms more personalized and interactive. Next, go to the notification settings. Here you can enable email notifications so that every time someone submits the form, you receive an email alert. Simply enter the subject line, your email address, the sender name, and save the settings. You also have the option to enable an autoresponder. When this is turned on, the system will automatically send an email to the contact who filled out the form. Additionally, you can choose to send the form submission as a PDF attachment, which is useful for record keeping or formal documentation. Once everything is configured, click Save. Your form is now ready. If you want to embed this form on a website or funnel outside of PulseGrowth, go to the Integrate tab. Copy the embed code provided and paste it into your external page's HTML. Once embedded, the form will appear on your website. The great thing is that if you make any updates inside PulseGrowth after embedding the form, the changes will automatically reflect on your live page. You can also share your form using a direct link or send it via email. Now let's move on to surveys. The process of creating surveys is very similar to creating forms. Go to the Sites tab and select Surveys. Just like forms, you can use templates or start from scratch. All the same fields, settings, notifications, and conditions are available. The main difference is that surveys allow you to split fields across multiple slides, creating a step-by-step experience instead of showing everything on one page. This improves engagement and completion rates. In the Conditions section for surveys, you also have an additional option. You can redirect contacts to a specific slide based on their answers. This means you can create branching logic. For example, if someone selects a particular option, they can be taken to a different question set tailored to them. Aside from that slide redirection feature, all other functionalities remain the same as forms. And that's it. You now know how to create both forms and surveys inside your PulseGrowth account, including how to customize fields, collect payments, sell products, apply advanced conditions, enable notifications, embed forms, and create multi-step surveys. For further information, please visit our support portal or reach out to us directly at connectorpulsegrowth.io.